welcome to Properly. Today, we're introducing the Start Job Now feature, exclusively available on the Properly mobile app. This feature is perfect for hosts, property managers, and their employees or partners who want to take control of their tasks, start jobs on their own schedule, and avoid waiting for service providers. Let's dive in. You can start a job from 3 places in the app. First, head to the Properties tab and select your property. Then, tap Create Job. Next, toggle on the Start Job Now option. Finally, tap Start Now, and your job begins immediately. Next, let's look at how to start jobs from the Calendar tab. First, open the calendar and click the plus sign in the top right corner. Then, toggle on the Start Job Now option. Finally, tap Start Job, and you're ready to go. This lets you stay flexible with scheduling and start tasks whenever it fits your needs. Now, let's see how to start jobs from your checklists. First, go to the Library tab. Then, choose the checklist you need and hit the 3 dots icon. Next, tap Create a Job with this checklist and toggle on Start Job Now. Finally, hit Start Now and the job is live. Just a quick tip, when you start a job, your start time and location are logged. For the most accurate results, it's best to toggle on Start Job Now once you're at the property. With the Start Job Now feature, you have full control, no waiting around. Perfect for hosts and property managers like you. Ready to get started? Download the Properly mobile app today and take charge of your jobs.